Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You sign into Steam and then open Settings to turn on the Global Steam Cloud option. This allows supported apps to sync. Once done, check the specific game's support. Don't assume every title uses cloud. Next, open the game's properties from your library and look for the Enable Steam Cloud Synchronization checkbox. Tick it. This sequence, Account Sign In, Global Enable, per game Enable, starts the sync process and ensures the client will attempt to upload or download saves. Now you enable sync for the specific game inside your library. Right-click the title, open Properties, and enable Steam Cloud Synchronization. This tells Steam which saves to manage. Once enabled, launch the game briefly and then exit cleanly. Steam uses that close event to push or pull save files. If you have multiple machines, repeat the step on each to avoid conflicts. Also note local save paths and any mod managers, because non-standard save locations may not be captured by Steam Cloud. Finally, verify the sync completed. Watch for the cloud icon and check the game's properties or the client's activity log for upload/download confirmation. Backup local saves first when you see any conflict prompts so you won't lose progress. If sync doesn't work, disable and re-enable Steam Cloud for that title. Clear the Steam download cache from settings and restart the client. This often forces a fresh handshake. If a conflict appears, choose carefully. Prefer the most recent timestamp or your backed up copy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.